So Movicon.NExT is Emerson's most advanced HMI and SCADA platform to design industrial software applications based on the most innovative technology, providing a future-proof development environment that can deliver HMIs, interfaces, and SCADA systems ranging from the most basic solution for a machine, for example, for a single isolated machine, to a very structured and layered SCADA project with redundancy, with multiple field devices connected to the field. So the platform is based on a .NET open framework and natively based on the OPC-UA information model, which allows to constantly expand the features of the platform directly by Emerson or even by the designer, the project designer themselves, with the concept of keep on adding plugins specialized for different functionalities. It comes already packaged with vast number of native drivers for most popular PLCs and third-party RTUs or anyway field devices. Comes again packed with a vast library of specifically designed WPF symbols, a library of symbols that allows simple configuration with almost no coding skills required. So all this comes packaged in one unique environment, which allows the designer to develop any application ranging from the very small to the very big without the need to use different integrated development environment, and therefore providing huge cost saving by flattening the learning curve. So Movicon.NExT is a complete platform that connects the factory floor with the business IT layer to facilitate the implementation of dashboards and reports showcasing the key performance indicators or KPIs, and therefore leading to the calculation of the overall equipment efficiency index or OEE. Again, leveraging the open framework based on which Movicon is built, Emerson added to the portfolio a component which is called Proline, which packages standard dashboards and reports in a very efficient way, because the designer, instead of having to build all the interface from scratch, can simply add the additional license and go through an automated configuration wizard that allows again to collect all the necessary information from the machine connected to the platform and then deliver the required dashboard and reports. So a major global player in the packaging, in industrial packaging industry for processed liquids and oil products, asked Emerson to deliver a unified platform, let me say, including dashboards and reports, reporting KPIs and OEEs across more than 100 plants in over 35 countries. So our engineering team decided to leverage the wizard feature of the Proline plugin of the Movicon.NExT platform to set up a customized version which will allow the plant manager to describe the machines and the production process in their plant, and then automatically interpret this file through the wizard again and generate automatically and create automatically the dashboards and the reports that were used to display local and regional efficiency information, both on the plant for the benefit of the local production manager, but also make them available on the web through a cloud application, so they could be readily available to the top-tier management to make snap decisions and to compare the efficiency of the different factories across the world. The flexibility of the platform actually allowed the system integrators who were tasked to implement the solution on the field to complete the deployment in less than 5 days per plant, leading to an overall implementation time for the whole project of slightly below 18 months, again on more than 100 plants. And the customer actually confirmed that in less than 2 years after the finishing of the implementation, they already managed to achieve the return of investment that they planned over 3 years, so it was a great success for both. If you'd like to find more information, please visit us on www.emerson.com.